Hello everyone, I am Meeraj and today I will discuss BMW 7 Series 740i. What if a car is not just a vehicle but a statement of power, comfort and lifestyle all at once? Today we are reviewing the BMW 740i, often considered one of the most silent kings in the luxury sedan segment. In today's video, we are going to review the BMW 7 Series 740i. This is not just a regular sedan, it represents BMW's flagship luxury experience. We will cover exterior design, interior luxury, engine performance, mileage, technology, and overall driving experience. Exterior design. The BMW 740i has a bold and executive luxury design language. Signature large kidney grille at the front, flat LED headlights with a futuristic touch, long wheelbase for a strong road presence, smooth aerodynamic body lines, slim and modern LED tail lights at the rear. On the road, this car doesn't just pass by, it makes a statement. Interior luxury and comfort. Step inside the BMW 740i and it feels more like a luxury lounge than a car. Premium leather upholstery, soft touch materials throughout the cabin, ambient lighting with multiple color options, panoramic glass roof, extremely quiet cabin insulation, rear seats experience, massive large room, recycling executive seats, first class comfort, playing perfect for long distance travel. BMW design this car not just for drivers but also passengers who want ultimate comfort, engine and performance. The BMW 740i comes with 3.0-liter inline 6 turbocharged engine, mild hybrid system support, 8-speed automatic transmission, driving experience, smooth and refined acceleration, powerful but not aggressive, extremely stable on highways, almost no cabin noise. This is not a sports car, it is a luxury cruising machine. Mileage and fuel efficiency. Car driving 8 to 10 kilometers approx. Highway driving 12 to 14 kilometers approx for a luxury sedan. This is a balanced and responsible efficiency level. Technology and features. BMW has equipped the 740i with advanced technology, curved dual digital display, latest iDrive infotainment system, voice command assistant, 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic parking assistant. The car offers a semi-autonomous driving experience, ride comfort and driving feel, air suspension system for smooth ride quality, excellent shock absorption, rough roads, very stable at high speed, precise and responsive steering, strong cabin insulation from outside noise, ideal for both city driving and long highway journeys. Overall character. The BMW 740i has a unique personality. Mercedes S-Class, more soft and relaxed luxury. BMW 740i driver-focused luxury with balance. It is designed for people who enjoy both driving and being driven. Final verdict. The BMW 740i is a complete package of luxury, comfort, prestige, smooth performance, modern technology. It is not just a car, it is a lifestyle symbol. If you are looking for a car that represents success, comfort and presence all at once, the BMW 740i is definitely a strong contender. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comments and subscribe for more car reviews, and let us know in the comments what do you think about the BMW 740i. Would love to hear your thoughts.